Good day guys! Today I will be talking about nitrogen, how it exists in the environment and its importance. Nitrogen is a chemical element with a symbol N and atomic number 7. Nitrogen is found in amino acids that make up proteins, in nucleotides, nucleic acids that comprise the DNA and RNA, and enzyme. At standard temperature pressure, two atoms of the element bind to form dinitrogen, a colorless and odorless diatomic gas with the formula N2. Dinitrogen forms about 78% of Earth's atmosphere. It is naturally occurring element that is essential for the growth and reproduction in both plants and animals. For nitrogen to be used in living things, it needs to change into nitrogen-containing compounds such as ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates. This is called the nitrogen cycle.
These are the main processes that involve in nitrogen cycle: nitrogen fixation, nitrification, assimilation, ammonification, and denitrification. Now, let me discuss the nitrogen fixation process. Nitrogen fixation is a process by which nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into ammonia. In nature, nitrogen fixation takes place in two ways. That is biological fixation and atmospheric fixation. Biological fixation is possible through mutualistic and free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria. The nitrogen in the atmosphere precipitates and is deposited into the soil and water. One of the best known examples of nitrogen fixation is the association between leguminous plants and rhizobium bacteria. Leguminous plants such as peas, beans, and clover have this bacteria within the nodule of its roots. The nitrogen molecule, with the help of nitrogenase enzyme, will combine with hydrogen molecules to first form ammonia and then an ammonium ion. Ammonium ions will be utilized by the plants. But how about non-leguminous plants? Don't worry, here is the second method: fixation by the free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria in soil. Free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria in soil converts nitrogen gas into ammonium ions. Nitrobacter converts ammonium ions into nitrites. Nitrites will then be consumed by another bacteria such as Nitrosomonas and produce nitrates. All of these forms of nitrogen are available for plants, especially nitrates, which is the easiest for plants to use. Plants and animals incorporate the nitrate and ammonia formed through nitrogen fixation and nitrification into proteins and nucleic acids. This is called assimilation. In assimilation process, plants can take up these compounds and bring nutrients. Animals get nitrogen compounds through feeding, digestion, and absorption. Eventually, all living things will die and undergo decomposition and ammonification. Ammonification is the conversion of organic nitrogen into ammonia. Some of the nitrates will not assimilate to plants. This compound will undergo denitrification process. Nitrate was converted into nitrous oxide, then to molecular nitrogen. This process was carried out by denitrifying bacteria such as Thiobacillus. Thus, there is a continuous cycling of nitrogen between the atmosphere and living as well as non-living systems.